Welcome back. In the last video, we had created a time series of NDWI images using Sentinel-2 for a region of interest and displayed it on the interface. Now we will see how the NDWI image can be used to identify and measure water cover for each year. Let's define a function in the Google Earth Engine, classify water, that takes NDWI as an input, and this function uses a threshold of value that is greater than NDWI greater than 0.3 to create a binary classification image, and this value can change over a different region of interest based on the seasonality variation or environmental factors. Pixel with high NDWI values are assigned a value of 1 while others are set to 0. And we will create a new collection of image by applying classify water function to each NDWI image from the time series. And we have a collection of classified output for every year. And this can be displayed for each year. And once the water cover images are created for every year, we can calculate the total area of water for the region of interest. The total area can be calculated by multiplying the water class, in this case category 1, with the pixel area and then summing it up over the entire region of interest. And this function would return a value in square meters, and the area value in square meters can be converted to hectares by dividing it with 10,000. And the whole function would return a value year and the water area values in hectares. And we can use this function to apply on the water classified image for every year. We can use two functions, aggregate array for year, to extract year values and each classified water image. Finally, we can combine these lists into dictionary, where each year is linked to its corresponding water area in hectares. When I run this, the water class images for every year will be displayed, and the console will print the area of water cover for the region of interest for a specific period of time, that is 2018 to 2024. The images of NDWI are displayed from 2018 to 2024. Water class for 2018 to 2024 is also displayed. See the water area in hectares for every year between 2018 to 2024. Hope that this information was helpful. This is how we can successfully calculate water area for each year using NDWI in Google Earth Engine and display area, water cover area in hectares. Thanks for watching. Happy mapping.